In this video, we are going to see the feature of Adobe Photoshop, which is Generative Expand. Generative Expand is an artificial intelligence feature by Adobe Photoshop and is new. It's basically integrated in the version 25 of Adobe Photoshop. Let's see the use case. I have these photos of myself, and as you can see, it's a square photos. And I don't want a square photo. I want to upload a cover image in my YouTube channel. So I want something that is more or less a rectangle, not a square, to fill all the space in the resolution of the cover. So the first step is to select this crop tool and then slide here, expand the area. In my case, I want a rectangle, so I'm expanding it laterally. But in your case, you might want a different shape, a different resolution of your image. So you might use, for example, up and down, or the exact case in which that I'm replicating here, so laterally, horizontally. So after we define the space, the exact space that we want, and we can check the width here to see if it is exact, you will have to click on Generate. When you click on Generate, the artificial intelligence feature will try to expand the area and fill basically these blank spots on the sides with a pattern or a color that match our picture. So as you can see here, it just extended the color. This was a very easy use case for the artificial intelligence feature. And here it tried as well to expand the area. It's not perfect, as you can see, but it works. For my cover image, it works and it's pretty straightforward. So that's pretty much it. And you can try it yourself. And yeah, in the video description of this video, you will find more links to other features of Adobe Photoshop in the version 25. See you!